Hey guys, I want to share with you a pretty cool product that was sent to me by a fellow YouTuber. His name is Parlusk, and he's been making videos for a very long time, so I've been subscribed to him like forever. And it's really cool that he has just invented, or been a part of the team, I guess, that invented this product. It is a shotgun follower that comes in a 2-pack here. One of them is lighted and one of them is not. Basically, it's like an indestructible polymer. In his video, he shows hitting these things with golf clubs and such, that he chose the hardest polymer there is. And one of these two, when it impacts, it will light up. So this is really cool. I'm going to put it inside my Mossberg 500 and show you how it works. Alright, so here it is installed. Installation wasn't too bad. And what's cool about this is it's going to light up the whole chamber in here for you to reload under low light, high stress situations. So you're shooting, thing goes off, and you can see that your enemies cannot. So if you're a competition shooter or you just want home defense, a lot of times we're imagining nighttime scenarios defending our houses. So it gives you the spot to reload, and then you are back in the fight. So good people, good product, friend YouTuber. So check it out. I think this is a really cool invention. You can get it at GoGageTactical.com. I think it's $21.95. And a nice addition to any one of these shotguns, and probably more. So I'll put a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.